faucet here. It's in a real bad area to get to in the basement. I'm going to try to fix it if I can. I may be able to fix this one. I'm hoping. Maybe. Needs a washer. I might be able to fix it. Well, it must have really been leaking. Seat looks okay. See if I can get that out of there. Not gonna be pretty. I got no screws. I got another screw for that. And a couple of screws loose. If I can find something to fit in there with different sizes. That should be it. As long as it screws down, I'm going to have to go with a shorter one. That should be it, yeah. Yeah, that should be the size I need. I've got a washer kit here. Size washer, this is my washer kit. Half inch. Oh, this size. There's the size you need right there. I do have a tapping thing for it if I have to tap it out. All different sizes in there. This thing has a couple of times. A lot of this box is all full of different screws and whatnot. Leaker. Alright, let's see if we can do that. A real bad spot. There should be a... It might be okay. I hope so, because it's not looking so user-friendly inside. Ceiling's all finished. Trying to fix this thing if I can, because it's not going to be easy. It's in a real tough spot. So things all. I'm gonna get one to fit that. All kinds of parts here for her. I can do it. Yeah, boy, that's. I should probably put a washer on there. Put a little washer on there, give it a little bit more. Old Barky. Old Barky. I'll strengthen it. I'll give it a little bit more. I'll make it putt better. Should be able to rebuild it. That'll be better. It shouldn't leak now. Should be better. Fucking screws. She's got a couple of screws loose now. I'll give these to her. Turn it on and check it. Yeah, it's gonna be perfect. Come take a look.